So, ito yung aking halo. Ito yung ating pork. So, ayan. Ang hirap guys maghanap ng, mag-isip na ano ipapaluto na, ipapaulam natin sa ating amo. So, ayan. Ito yung aking ingredients. At talong muna nilalagay natin kasi ano. Shortcut na to guys kasi nag-shower pa ako. I getting shower first before I cook. So, while I'm shower, I already boiled the pork. So, ayan. Ano kung malambot na to? Good na. But no salt. Ayan, lagyan natin ng asin. Kukuha muna ako sa loob ng asin. So yan guys, ang niluluto ko is no ingredients, only salt and black pepper. Sometimes I put patis. I put only this one. May lasa siya. So ayan, pag ang ating patient ay may sakit, especially in kidney, we avoid ingredients. Only salt, pepper. And then low salt. So that's the part that part is very hard to cooking. So ayan, I don't know if you hear the music until here outside. And later I will make the soap guys because of I have non-fat milk for soap. I think this is already good. Add more patis. Para may leaves, lagyan natin ng leaves sa ating backyard. Meron tayo doon vegetables in backyard. Stay tuned! Stay tuned mga pangga. I will pick. Oh, ayan guys. Oh. So ayan, very strong the music. Maybe later I will make voice over this if the music is already strong in my video. So if you have vegetables at your backyard, no need to buy in the supermarket, right? Every time you cook, you pick only. That's it. In your heartbeat. So, chua chua chua, ah ah. So, yan, ini-mix natin yung lady finger. So, ayan, mayroon tayong lady finger sa ating pork sinigang. This one, guys, lady finger. Lady finger, ayan. How many pieces do? Yeah, you put this one first. Ya-da-da-da. Na-na-na-na. In your heart, next to your mom. amoy sunrox. It's good. Good taste. So yan, ang hirap talaga maging isang katulong. Ay, chart. Ay, ang hirap pag-isip guys, ano yung ipapaulan natin ang routine natin every day is to think what will be we cook. We cook for our boss food. So that's it. Especially she is taking medicine. He is taking medicine rather. And then this one, the leaves, I put the little leaves only. Small leaves is enough. So ayan, it's for my today's menu, mga pangga, pork with vegetables, and but my cook is wala siyang ingredients, just only black pepper, salt, that is it. But it's so good also because I already try to cook every day. Nasanay na ako kumain guys ng ganitong luto. So ayan. Aking sinigang. So, yan, tapos na siya, luto na siya. Ayan guys, oh. Wow, sarap. Little vegetables only. It's enough. So ayan. Ito yung ating menu for today. Yeah, for my boss food. So ayan guys.